This is Mahmoud Hassan in front of the camera. My base number is 209 and my ID number is 8805. Actually, I'm going to talk about our future goals. Actually, our generation and our future generation is very careless about our goals. Actually, they don't have any dreams in their life. They just want to pass and get a job and want to die. That's it. Actually, when I was in when I was in class 10, I used to write. I used to write in composition. My dream is I wanted to be a doctor. Actually, one day my teacher asked me, Mahmoudul, why you always write this? Actually, then I told my teacher, teacher, I don't know what's the spelling of engineer. So that's a topic. And when I admitted in college, then I write the engineer about for my dream. Then I was a little bit longer, so that's why I used to write it. So after actually this is the all it's a common thing from all of us. When we pass our HS exam, there is only three way: admission, public university, going abroad, and another one is direct admitted in private university. Actually, I think this one those who wanted to get admitted in public university, most of them are in a circle. They don't know how to get out from this circle. If you ask them, brother, what's your dream? They will say, I just want to admit it in any university, any subject.